Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. So today I'm going to show you, and I've already started, I'm going to show you how to dehydrate poblano peppers. So I had bought two poblanos and I was going to make chili rellenos with them and get some more, but I never got to the store. So rather than have them go really bad and not be able to use them at all, I decided that I'm going to dehydrate them. So what I did is I roasted them in my air fryer, took off the skin after sweating them for about 30 minutes, and tore them in little pieces, but big enough where when they dry, I could just kind of crumble them and use in a dish, whatever dish that I'm going to use for that. So this is the first for me. I've never done it. But I didn't want them to go bad. And that's the beauty of dehydrating, is if you have a dehydrator and you have produce or vegetables or something that's going to go bad in your refrigerator that you know you're not going to use, you can dehydrate it and save it for later. So that's what I'm going to do with this, and I'll put this in a small jar because it's not very much. It's only 2 poblanos. And we'll go from there, and I will show you guys what this looks like when it's all done. This has actually been in the dehydrator for probably about a half an hour, and it's partially dehydrated already. This is not going to take long at all. So thanks for coming along. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed and you like what you see here. Please ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, and please subscribe. This way you are eligible for my contest giveaways. If you're not a subscriber, you're not eligible. I'm sorry. I am giving away 20 different gifts, 20 different prizes for the month of January into the beginning of February. We are on gift number 6, and I will be announcing what that is tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.